Welcome to TeleHope. As a piece of wood was turned on the lathe, I watched its shaping and smoothing. Patterns of a previously hidden wood grain began to appear. First, a heavy chiseling was applied to the wood, gradually tapering off to less and less pressure. The chisel tool was then replaced with a wood grinder. Finally, using lightly grained sandpaper brought about the smooth finish. When Heavenly Lathe works with us, previously hidden qualities begin to surface. Superficial nicks and imperfections are smoothed over. We are transformed to reflect the heavenly model in more and more ways. And we are all being transformed into the same image, 2 Corinthians 3:18. Make us pliable and beautiful in your hands. Amen.